Learn how to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0905. It is a very common problem and it occurs almost on every PC, and you just have to do one single step to fix this problem. So you just need to click on the search icon and here type CMD, and please make sure that you click on Run as Administrator, else it won't work. Once you do that, it will ask you to say yes. And here you need to type sfc space / scan now. So once you have typed it, hit enter. Now the moment you do it, it will begin the system scan and it will fix all of those update errors, the Windows update errors on Windows 10 or Windows 11, 8.1, Windows 7. This will work on all kinds of Windows. And once this is done, please make sure that you restart the computer. And once you restart the computer, try to update your Windows and let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed the Windows update error. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.